We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple, slow living. This is our Sicilian Dolce vita. Venite con noi. Having this YouTube channel has given us the opportunity to visit and view some beautiful stone and marble statues. These statues are much more than historical relics. They remain vital today as symbols of national identity, economic power, and architectural prestige. I see them as silent guardians telling us the stories of heroes and historical events. I have always been fascinated and captivated by their beauty and by the mastery involved in making them. So you can imagine how happy I was with my little bargain find from our local vintage market, a very old and delicate stone angel wall shelf.
Brush his teeth.
The dirty little boy, isn't he? So yeah, this is what we do on a rainy day. So we're rearranging those pictures that we had. I wasn't really happy with them. They were all right, but I wasn't. But this is, love this. So I managed to put the gesso stucco over here up on the left, the angel, and then I'm gonna do some, it looks just like you. Right, turned on the light and we have finished. Of course, if I find some more of these, I'm going to add to them. So this is just like my little gallery wall of stone and stucco little statues. So here we go. We have started with Storm Harry. It's been like this all day. Very dark, very windy. They have blocked all the sort of areas near the sea and they've asked everyone not to go out near the coastal areas. Schools, public schools and private schools are closed. I am doing some online lessons because of the weather. So yeah, this is it. It's 9:30 in the morning and we've had to turn on some lights. I just turned on the big light now because I'm filming, but usually I just like turn on the little lamps, table lamps. Anyway, today is day 2 of Storm Harry, Hurricane Harry, whatever they want to call it. It's actually incredible. I never ever thought that in Sicily we would be facing this type of situation. Anyway, we are okay. Luckily Massi's got a week off, so you know, he doesn't have to go to work, he can stay at home. I'm doing some smart working on my computer, so that's good. We are absolutely fine. The property seems absolutely fine, but we are now getting dressed in our raincoats and everything, and we're going to go up on top of the hill just behind the villa, and we're going to have a look around just to see if there is any damage, any landslide or anything like that. I'm also going to be nipping into my sister's villa just to see that everything's okay, that there's no leaks or anything like that, any tiles broken on the roof. I'm just going to give a little, you know, control there, and then we're coming back. So we've literally been barricaded for like 3 days. Honestly, we have not gone out, apart from the fact that i vigili urbani, which is like a type of police that organizes the roads, have blocked everyone from going anywhere near the sea, especially in Ortigia. Because they said that today the waves are going to get super high and it is very dangerous, and silly people with their cameras, you know, will want to get some footage. So no, rather not. Anyway, so that is our morning this morning. I'll show you a little bit outside what it looks like. So here we go. Very dark, rainy, actually not too windy now day. that we're gonna go up. Let's see what it's like up on top of the hill. Is that everything? First damage. Oh well. Alright, let's go see what else there is. Chairs blown everywhere. Yeah. The windbreaker has collapsed here, which that's not too bad. Some pots thrown over. Right, let's go in to my sister's property, hoping that everything is okay. Let's go and have a look. Right, we're on top here. Checking out some tiles and looking also on top of, wow. Ours looks like a pool on top, Mas. Crazy. Yeah. Okay, everything seems all right, yes?
Yeah, seems pretty cool.
We're gonna go back down. Massi's collecting some wood, so keep us going maybe for maybe one day. A couple of days actually, yeah. Wow, crazy stuff. So just noticed now that one of the banana trees has fallen down. I'm not going out there to film again, and Massi's had to go out to feed the chickens. So yeah, horrible wet morning.
Right, so the problem here I found is that the wood has rotted underneath this, like a trimming on the door frame. It's all rotted wood now. So I have to extract the rotted bits and replace it with good bits. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just taking out all the rotten bits that you can see.
Yeah, and it's all coming, if you pull it, it comes off the wall as well, doesn't it?
So basically what happened, there was a leak in the shower, a very bad one, which has been fixed coming towards here. So it's pretty dry now, so I can work on it. And yeah, I'll show you the progress as I go along. So what I'm doing now is filling in the empty parts where the wood has been eaten away.
So basically you're patching things up, right?
Yeah, I have to. Otherwise I have to replace the whole thing, which I'm not going to do.
No. Okay. Yeah, and then I think we are definitely going to paint the door frames this same color that I did to the two little spare bedrooms, because they look a lot better than that cherry wood, which I don't really like. So yeah, I just like to say that we try and turn like a negative situation like it is today with this storm going on, Storm Harry, into something positive. So like, you know, we try and do some DIY as much as we can. In between maybe having cups of teas and watching something, you know, like a film or something, I don't know, just try and make the day go a little bit faster without it being really monotonous. So what do you guys do on your day off? Do you do some DIY? Do you read? Do you watch YouTube? I'm sure you do. Yeah, let us know.
Sicilia, Calabria e Sardegna travolte da una tempesta di vento che soffia intorno ai 100-120 km/h e poi dalla pioggia che ha gonfiato il mare, fiumi e canali, ha allagato le strade e messo in ginocchio la circolazione ferroviaria. La protezione civile ha dichiarato uno stato di allerta rossa per le 3 regioni.
Alright, while Massi's washing the windscreen after the storm, we decided we need to get out. So we're going to go for a bit of a walk and maybe stop and have a bit of breakfast. Let's see if there's any water. Oh my is usually a riverbed by our house that is never ever full of water. I mean, we walked this riverbed once. This only happens when there is a lot of rain. Crazy. So there's a big rock here which Massi's going to move, because if people come, that rock is gonna cause damage to a car. Yeah. Okay, good. We're just going to go down our road and just see if everything's okay, if there are any trees fallen over or anything, and yeah, and then we're going to make our way towards Sicily. I mean, look, this, we've never seen this. This is incredible. This is usually a drier riverbed. It's coming from there, all the way around, and it goes further on over there. That's how much rain we've had in 2 days. Again, more water.
Mud, it's not water.
Mud, yeah. Broken trees. Wow.
The river obviously came out of its banks.
Yeah. The river burst its banks. Look at this. Crazy. I've decided to stop off 2 minutes to go into a little
It's
brocante.
Maria's favourite
A
shop.
little brocante. Cannot say no to a little brocante. And then after that we'll go to the seaside. Let's go. There's really nothing that we want, but I like to always pop around because you never know, you might find some.
Wow.
Oh, there you go, he's found something.
Wow. It's sold.
Oh yeah, oh, it's
Look
lovely.
at that.
Stunning.
It's amazing.
What did you say?
It's amazing. I did add in.
Chandeliers. And more chandeliers.
King's couches.
King's couch. Look at that mirror up on the top.
You see the kings and queens couches.
Let's have a look. Oh yes. Lots of sofas. A little Sicilian bench over there. Seat. Now that is a mirror. Oh my goodness.
If I was a king, I'd have a cupboard like that.
Yeah, it's a little bit exaggerated. Sicilians just love their ornate and opulent looking furniture. Don't know why. So this is a wood burning stove and looks pretty good, hey Mas? The sea is still so agitated. Wow, crazy. Roads are so wet. This road they repaired like literally last year. Look at this. No babe, please don't.
The restaurant's been damaged badly.
Restaurants damaged. Look at this. Look where you're going, please.
Non c'è più ristorante.
No, the restaurant's gone. Oh my goodness. No, this is tragic. This is so tragic. Wow. There's Ortigia over there. Look at the waves surrounding Ortigia. Crazy, guys. Crazy, crazy. I can't believe the damage. Wow. was pushed by the sea and the wind. Yeah. That restaurant, terrible. Our little summer restaurant, my favorite summer restaurant, La Fornace, completely. The terrace is completely destroyed. Completely destroyed. So sad. We came here last summer with Massi's sister and her husband, and there is nothing left. This was a little solarium. It's crazy, absolutely crazy. Still beautiful, still so beautiful, even after the devastation. So sad. Sicily, many have tried to break you. Empires, enemies, mafia, and now a cyclone. Stand strong, Sicily, and united. We love you. Completely destroyed. These are all villas right next to the coast.
This was an actual road.
Yeah, this was a road that you could drive straight through all along the coast. It's been completely destroyed. Completely. Very sad, very sad. Sicily, the storm may have passed through, but it could never take your resilience, your beauty, or your courage. May homes be rebuilt, and you, Sicily, begin to heal. The vibrant colors of the blue sea and the sky continue to symbolize hope.
It's crazy.
Incredible, isn't it? What Mother Nature, how strong it is.
The force of the sea is a force that should be reckoned with, because
Yeah, you have to be.
it is so destructive, and it will just take anything apart, no matter what. The force of the water is really potent. It's just proof of
I mean, we were tucked away comfortably up on a hill in our villa, and
we didn't really imagine.
We didn't imagine. We saw some things on the news, but actually coming now and seeing them with our own eyes is just...
the damage that the sea inflicted upon the coastal area. Yeah,
I really am. I'm gobsmacked. I feel really bad for the restaurant, our little summer restaurant that we always take all our
basically
friends
doesn't
and
exist
family.
anymore. It's just the walls.
The actual terrace on the sea does not exist anymore.
Yeah.
Anyway. Nice, beautiful sunny day after 2 days of awful weather. Let's enjoy this cappuccino. Right, we've come back and Massi's buying me the wood burner. I am so happy. The problem is my son's at work, so he can't help us take it home. We're going to try and fit it in the smart the things we have to do. We probably have to do 2 journeys, but it was a deal. Ok, ora che sì.
Perfetto. Ci siamo? Sì. Deve solo...
Can you believe we managed to get it in? Just one part. We'll have to come back for the other 2 parts. Let's have a look. Yay! The things I make him do. We need to hurry because I think it's gonna rain again very soon.
But it's ready, it's heavy, yeah?
Are we putting it flat, did you say?
Yeah, putting it flat. Ready.
Oh my god. I need to get my Lego. 1, 2, 3. Okay, oh my gosh, we got it in. I cannot explain how heavy that was.
200 kilos.
200 kilos.
Yeah.
Wow, it better be worth it. I think it is though. It's a bit modern for my taste, but you know, at this price.
Oh, there's something missing here.
What's missing?
There should be a little tray in here to take out there.
When you go back, because we've got to go pick up
here
the...
it is, yeah.
Oh, you found it. It is Massi. Lift the tray out. I think this is new.
It's never been used. No.
It's never been used.
Yeah, no, it has never been used.
It's crazy. So we had to travel all the way to Palazzolo to get a specific pipe made especially for the log burner. And they did a brilliant job, and while we were there we stopped off and had a bite to eat. We were still absolutely shocked at what had happened on the coast. When we got home, Massi fixed it and put it all together, and it started to look really wonderful. Okay, let's clean up. And finally, Massi got it all up and going. I went to work and came back and the house was nice and toasty. Lovely. Thanks, Mas.
You're welcome.
Sicilia, figlia del sole e del mare, scolpita dal vento e dal fuoco dell'Etna, ancora una volta ti sei rialzata.